Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rosa. I live on San Miguel Island, and my goal on my channel is to share a little bit of my journey with you guys and a little bit of what it's like living on an island. Today's video, I do have just a short little recipe for you. I filmed myself make a quiche. Nothing too special. I just really liked the recipe, so I did film myself, but I stopped filming that day and I didn't film anything else. So I don't have anything else to put in this video, although I didn't want to delete it because it is a useful recipe. So I'm going to upload it on its own. So let's get into the recipe and then we'll come back and I'll speak to you at the end of the video.
And she gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more, but tells a lot of stories about her youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But her shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old.
Alright you guys, so let me know what you thought about this recipe. A quiche is very versatile. You could add any ingredients that you want as long as you stick with the base. I used pastry dough, shortcut pastry, or I think that's what it's called. And then my base will always be around 6 eggs. I actually used 5 eggs in this recipe because the eggs were larger. But if you have like really small eggs, then you'll use 7. But around 6 eggs, and also 200 milliliters of heavy cream. And that is your base. Then you can add in whatever else that you want. So tuna, vegetables. I've seen mushrooms and in quiches, I've seen chorizo. I've seen so many different things. I like the simple ham and cheese. In the ham and cheese one, I usually add in black olives. But I didn't have any on hand, so it just went like that. But that's pretty much it. I didn't want to waste this video, so I had to edit it, and I'll post this little mini video for you guys just a little mini recipe. If you have ever made a quiche before and you have a really good recipe, please leave it in the comments down below. I'd really appreciate it. I love to learn new things. Just to give you a heads up before you go, I will be holding a giveaway pretty soon on my channel. I have not yet released the official video with the giveaway, but so you don't miss that, please subscribe to my channel. I will be giving away regional goodies, so here's a little sneak peek of what I've already got for you guys. I will be getting a few more things because I want to share a little bit of the Azores with you guys. San Miguel, of course. I just want to show this magnet just because it's beautiful. I almost decided to keep this for myself, but no, I'm gonna give it to you guys. It's a beautiful magnet. It's made out of needle thread. Very, very pretty. It's the factory that I went to. If you saw my video where we went to Guyana, the tea factory here in San Miguel, you saw me buying something in this paper bag, and I told you something for you guys, and it was this magnet. So yes, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss that giveaway. Like I said, I'll be getting a few more things, and then I will launch the official giveaway video where there will be the rules and how to enter. I cannot go without saying thank you. Thank you so much for supporting me. You guys have been giving me so much motivation to continue making videos. I know that the most of you want to see the island, so I will try and film more of the island on my free time. I have been a little bit busy with work and training for work, so it's a little hard to take the time to actually go out and, you know, catch a good day that has nice weather, because when it's raining, it's not easy to show the island. But I promise you, I will try to film as much as I can. Don't forget to leave in the comments down below what you want to see, what you want to see from me, what you want me to film, what type of videos you like the most. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I'm going to end this video off here. So yeah, I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!
Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so they got old.